Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Samarth Official. Tutorial exercise for part drawing of bearing block A was uploaded in the previous video. In this video, you'll learn about how to model bearing block B using CATIA V5 part design and by using commands like circle, pad, pocket, centered rectangle and rectangle. Open CATIA V5, start mechanical design, click on part design, tools, options, parameters and measurements, units, check whether the units are in inches or not, click OK. Select Y-Z plane, click on sketch command, it will take you to sketch a workbench. Select circle, select the center point, drag, click. Select the constraint, and drag and click. Double click on this, enter the dimension 5, click OK. Exit workbench, click on pad, 0.875, press enter or click OK. Select this plane, click on sketch workbench, select the circle, select the center, drag and click. Select the constraint, click on anywhere, double click on this, diameter is 4.25, press enter. Again exit workbench, select pocket command, so depth is 0.875 by 2, press enter. Okay, now select this face, click on sketch workbench, select the centered rectangle, select the center, drag and click. Select constraints, select horizontal axis, press Ctrl, select a horizontal line, drag and click. Double click on this and press 2 by 2. Okay, again select this vertical axis, Ctrl, select this vertical line, select constraint, drag and click, double click on this, 2 by 2 is 1, enter 1, press enter. Okay, again click on exit workbench, click on pad, enter the value of 2 plus 0.875 by 2, press enter. So you can see the direction is in reverse direction, we need in reverse direction. So go to design tree, select the pad, double click on the pad, okay, click on reverse direction, click OK. Okay, now select this face, click on sketch workbench, select centered rectangle, click on center, drag, click anywhere. Again click on constraint, select horizontal axis, press Ctrl, select the horizontal line, double click on this, and the value is 1.25 by 2. Sorry, 1.25 by 2. Click on OK. Okay. Again click on this constraint. Select this vertical axis. Press Ctrl. Select this vertical line. Double click on this. Same 1.25 by 2. Press Enter. Okay. Again exit workbench. Select pocket command. Okay. So in this type, select up to last. Okay. Click on preview. So you can see this pocketing has done. Click on OK. Okay. Now select this face. Click on sketch a workbench. Okay. Fit in all. So now select a rectangle. Draw a rectangle here. So the dimensions of this rectangle, click on constraint, select this line, and this is 1. Select this constraint, select this line, double click, this is 0.875, press enter. Okay, so you can move this rectangle anywhere. This need to be constrained, so click on the constraint, sorry, escape, click on constraint, select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, double click on this, press 0 and enter. Okay, again click on constraint, select this axis, press Ctrl, select this horizontal line, double click on this, and the value is 0.875 by 2. Press enter. Okay, exit workbench, select pocket. So the type is up to last. Check the preview. Okay, click on OK. Click on isometric view, fit in all. So you can see the bearing block base completed. Thank you.